Yo, what is up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Now I understand I haven't posted in like a couple of weeks now. I've been a bit under the weather, but I'm good now and we're getting back into the videos. Today is a video I should have done like as soon as we finished up that Flume inspired track from Scratch series. But I completely forgot to do it and just moved on to other video ideas. And what I said I was going to do is redo the master but just use stock Ableton plugins. But you know, me being me, I thought I'd spice it up and do something different, and I'm going to do it in 10 minutes. Mastering really shouldn't be done in 10 minutes, but today there's an exception to that rule. I'm fairly optimistic about this. I know exactly what I need to do, and let's shut up and actually do it. So I have our mixed version here, which is the track we're going to be working with. We have our Ozone master. And we have a Flume reference track. Stock plugins, a banger of a tune, 10 minutes on the clock. What could possibly go wrong? Alright, let's start the clock in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Sweet. Okay, first things first, I want to use a utility. Move the DC offset and make the bass mono about, maybe go 50? I want to say 70. I don't know the steepness of the cutoff, if it's just like direct, like anything directly below 80, or if it kind of rounds it off. Can we hear that? Oh yeah. What'd I say? 80, 70, 75. Meet in the middle. Next thing I'm gonna do is load in saturator, because it's possibly one of my favorite Ableton stock plugins. Add a little bit of the bass and maybe 2 dB worth of drive. How's that headroom? Yeah, we still got room. And what do I want to do next? Oh yeah, the imaging. So separating the center from the mids. No, the center from the sides, not the mids. The center is the mids. So we can do this by changing the EQ mode from stereo to MS, which is mid side, I do believe. Change that. That is weird. Man, those super swords do not sound cool with the sides completely removed. Just round it off there and see if we can boost like the low mids. I'm trying to think about ozone settings. I definitely remember everything was slightly too wide. So we might just have to cut that there. Doesn't sound too bad, maybe. Okay. What I should have done is done like an EQ, but done some notches before that. So yeah, good thing we've still got 7 minutes and 50 something seconds. That's a bell filter? I'm gonna say we're gonna need to use all of these. Yep. Alright, I'm just gonna go boost one like this, crank the Q, and then sweep the frequency spectrum range and see if I can find any nasty frequencies. Nope. So we duck that and then move on to another one. Up the Q and sweep it again. Maybe we won't end up using all of these. There's another one-ish. Nope. Oh, my ears. Whatever, we don't need 8. Or was that 6? Alright, that's stripping the character of the track, so We won't make the ducts quite as prominent as 8 dB. Oh my goodness, maybe 3. And that's 1. Oh, that was actually good how it was before. 8 again. This one's huge. 10 dB far. I feel like I can hear something else, but we just don't have the time, so I'm gonna move on to multiband dynamics. Let's solo this band and then go into the after. Check out our gain reduction here. And this is our ratio. Infinite to 1. Why not? No, actually we're not gonna do that, don't worry. What am I aiming for? Like 1 to 2? Oh. Decent. Alright, moving on to the next band. Yeah, next band. Oh, don't mute it. Say, since these are high frequencies, we might need to give them a bit more gain reduction. Yep. Not that much. Maybe that much. Sweet. Alright, these are set. It's time to adjust the time value so we don't absolutely destroy our transients. Like we are now. Quick-ish attack and quick-ish release. Maybe a little bit slower for the mids. Oh, actually, I bumped the spacebar with my thumb. And my... whatever, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Man, I wish I could visually see, like, ozone, how it's affecting the frequencies. Apart from that little gain reduction meter. Maybe that's a little bit too much. No, that's where our output's for, don't worry. Okay. Anyway, we can reference that later. Let's move on to glue compressor. We are all good for time. Now this is where we're gonna get 90% of our volume from. We're gonna use the punch preset, EQ, turn that on, and then attack and threshold settings are pretty good. We're gonna crank that threshold and make up. Maybe between 0 to 5. And then crank the makeup until you see some like yellow LED action happening. That's probably not an LED since it's analog, but you know, you get what I mean. That is loud. Oh, it's not too loud. We can go. I like how it says soft clip, but we're still clipping hard. And that is where the limiter comes into action. Comes into play. 2 minutes on the clock. We are all good. Auto to release quickest time possible. So it's just latching on super quick. Maybe set the ceiling to 0. I don't know. Nothing's gonna pass 0 now. Sweet. This is all good. Okay, reference the reference track, and then we'll set our low, mids, and highs. Oh, this is gonna sound so weird. Nope. No such thing as bloop, blue. Nobody else, if it can't be. Oh, I need to sneeze. Wait, and not just be else, if it can't. Way more bass. And we need some punchiness as well. Alright, let's compare the highs and mids, because we got 1 minute left. Tone down the highs. Too much bass now. I'm just winging it now. It's 26 seconds. Doing all we did, we still like in my pocket. You so find the way you walk. I think that's just a little bit more punchy. We got 2 seconds to chill, and we are... Oh yeah, I got my phone on silent, crap. It is going to be real interesting to hear this one compared to the Ozone one, because the Ozone one can handle transients just a little bit better, and it's just got a cleaner sound, I guess, but not bad for 10 minutes. What we did the bass mono utility, a little bit of saturation, notch out some frequencies that are annoying, shaped the mids and sides, did some multiband dynamics, made it loud, and limited it. That is not bad for 10 minutes. So let's hear this one, let's hear the Ozone one. The Ozone one actually sounds a little bit phasey. I don't know why. It definitely sounds a lot more like cleaner and controlled compared to our master, which we just did, which sounds really loud and aggressive. The Ozone one sounds like toned and shaped, and yeah, our one's aggressive. We have so much bass. And the drums aren't really punching through like they did on the Ozone one, which is funny because I remember doing the Ozone master and like turning the drums down a little bit because they were just too punchy and too loud. That is really weird, but interesting result though. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. I'm still undecided. I like characteristics from both. Maybe if there was like a middle ground between the two, that would be cool. Mastering in 10 minutes, fairly relaxed compared to other 10-minute drop challenges I've done. No, it's not working. 5 seconds. Holy crap. No! Fuck. 2.5 minutes. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy it, be sure to leave a big thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next tutorial or whatever we're doing on this channel. Actually, I know what we're doing on this channel next. So stick around for that. Have a great day, and I'll catch you guys later, and peace.